everyone. This is Sejal Deshpande. I'm coming from India and I work with Veena World. Veena World is a travel company and we provide all kinds of tours, like for example group tours, customized mice, luxury tours, staycations, vacations and so on. We provide all services, a complete holiday package as per our guest requirements. And here we are to experience Zimbabwe. We have been selling only in Big Falls till today, but yes, now after our tour, we are hoping to sell other parts of Zimbabwe as well, especially Eastern Highlands. It has been a wonderful experience. It was a lovely stay, and we have gone through Nanga and Honza Valley, and now we are in Mutare, and we will complete our tour with Big Falls. So I'm hoping to market Zimbabwe to all our clients in India. Thank you.
My name is Nitesh Agarwal and my company name is Wings and Nest Travels, and I'm from Mumbai, India, and we do a lot of international packages all over the world, and we are in this industry from past 15 years, and this is my first time in Zimbabwe, and it has been a great experience. Zimbabwe Tourism Board has hosted us out here, and it's been a great experience going around Zimbabwe. We went to Harare, then we went to the Nyanga National Park. We did trekking out there, then we also did zip lining and we did a skywalk. So it was a great experience overall, and the best part is the climate is really very good out here, and the food also we did not have any problem as such. Also the people here are very friendly, very helpful, so we are not having any problem moving around in Zimbabwe as such.
Okay, and which one was your best experience so far? The activity which was best for you?
The best experience was zipline, which we did over there Murtazi River. It was an amazing experience. The zipline was really very good.
Okay, and would you definitely recommend it to other people when you go back home?
Yeah, definitely. We will recommend to a lot of our guests who would like to, do good adventure activities, who would like to see nature. It's a great experience for them, and they will really enjoy this because it's a different experience altogether. Yeah.
Hi everyone, my name is Claire. I'm from France. I'm working for a travel agency based in Paris. Its name is Marco Vasco. I'm here in Zimbabwe to meet partners but also discover the country. I went to Eastern Islands with Sanganai, and we went to Nyanga, we went to Bamba, and we discovered the place. It's a very peaceful place when you can observe birds and other animals, wild animals, but you can also do some activities like zip lines over the bridge and see the falls. So I recommend you to go to Zimbabwe and enjoy yourself.
So you would definitely recommend Zimbabwe to other people in France?
Exactly, because it's a beautiful place in South Africa. You can see many different landscapes, like some are like the desert and some are like more the jungle. So you have many different landscapes and you can do many different activities too.
Glad to take part in this expo. It's a very professional expo in mice and tourism. And my name is Linda Lu. I come from China, and then my company is Malvern Zhanghui Expo International Company. And then we are dealing with the professional mice organizer and reception. And since this time, when I got this chances from Embassy of Zimbabwe in China, and especially I thanks very much Mr. Banda, is a representative of Zimbabwe Tourism Authority. And then through this expo, we recognize so many suppliers and then talented guys. We discuss each other. Yeah, because in the past 20 years, there are so many basic services cannot satisfy the currency marketing requirements. And then we find there will be more possibility for us to get innovation. For example, we can catch some professional industry area. For example, Zimbabwe is very famous in so many cherished mines, and then tobacco, planting, and then there's a pharmacy. and medical consumptions. And then this marketing for Chinese people, we have very strong interest in it. And that's why when we work together with local suppliers and the tourism agencies, we want to discuss on a deep innovation to change some the classic routes and then to mix together with some commerce elements for future. And meanwhile, we offer the inbound services in China. And then we found so many African guys. They are very interested in China. For example, they want to buy some solar equipment, and then they are interested in fertilizer, and then bulk business. They want to promotion their business in China. We offer this platform, and then we have base in Shanghai, and Changsha, and several cities, major cities in China. And then when they arrive in China, we will give them good services for the whole period. And then we are also the partners of major international expos in China. Yeah, some of the expo we can give them free booths, and then we can also give them very perfect services. From booking hotels to translate, and then during expo, or we can guide them to find more excellent and honest suppliers and manufacturers in China, and then to push their cooperation in future.
Okay, and how has been your experience in the Eastern Highlands?
In Thailand, nice. Expo and businessmen groups. They focus on this one.